If you're experiencing server timeout issues in GTA 5, particularly error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary connectivity issues. Step 3. Reset your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can help refresh your internet connection and resolve any network-related issues. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking GTA 5. Add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the firewall/antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling GTA 5. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.